Good morning, children. Welcome to today's EVS class. In the previous classes, we have learnt the following: adaptation, habitat, adaptation of different plants and animals, living things and non-living things. Now, we will look into what is biotic and abiotic factors. Biotic factors are the living parts of an ecosystem. Abiotic factors are an ecosystem's non-living elements. This includes things like soil, sunlight, water, and temperature. Plants and animals help each other to survive. Living and non-living things depend on each other. Now, let us discuss about how biotic and abiotic factors depend on each other. Children, abiotic factors are all of the non-living things in an ecosystem. Both biotic and abiotic factors are related to each other in an ecosystem. And if one factor is changed or removed, it can affect the entire ecosystem. Abiotic factors are especially important because they directly affect how organisms survive. How do biotic and abiotic factors depend on each other? Fish. Biotic factor. Live in water, feed on small organisms in water. Water. Abiotic factor. It provides dwelling place for organisms. Banyan tree. Biotic factor. It makes the soil fertile, helps retain water in the soil. Lotus, biotic factor, live in water. Rock, abiotic factor, providing dwelling place for plants and animals. Air, abiotic factor, all living things need air to breathe. Frog, biotic factor, live both on land and in water. Soil, abiotic factor, plants grow in soil. Children, I hope you understood the interdependence of living and non-living things. Now observe the picture. What can you see in the picture? There are trees, birds and animals, and a flowing river, isn't it? So, it is a picture of a forest. What is a forest? Forest is the habitat of diverse living things. It is very important to preserve the forest and ecosystem with diversity for sustaining life on earth. Children, look at the picture. Many activities of human beings like cutting of trees and sand mining harm the ecosystem. Children, in this picture you can see Sanimol and her friends planting a sapling. These kind of activities can help to protect our environment. So children, what did we learn till now? We saw that both living and non-living things depend on each other in an ecosystem. Human beings and other living things can survive only if the ecosystem is sustained. Let us summarize. Living things are biotic factors and non-living things are abiotic factors. An ecosystem includes the mutually dependent biotic and abiotic factors of a particular place. Forest, a natural wealth. Activity. Collect pictures of organisms on land and in water. Note down their adaptations. With this, we come to an end of the chapter. Thank you.